Hello, grade 7. This is the video for the review of order of operations for integers. Just like in the previous video, I will first give you an example. And this case, I have two examples. And then after that, you will have problems to solve. Okay. So once again, I'm giving you the guide, which is either PEMDAS or BEDMAS. Okay, so for our first example, please take a look at the guide. You have it here on the right side. Okay, so you're given an equation and you're going to solve it. So here first you see an exponent and there's a bracket. So we're going to do the exponent first. That's the first step. Okay, and then if we do that, -4 raised to the second power is -4 times -4, which will give you 16. And then I copied the rest of the equation. From here, we're going to check what will be the next after exponent. So it says multiplication or division multiplication. Again, if it's side by side, you need to do it left to right. So here, you're going to divide first before you multiply. So divide. So when you do that, you have 16. 8 divided by 2 is 4. I now have 4 here, and I copied the rest of the equation. After dividing, we now can multiply. So multiplication is the next step. If we do that, 4 times 5 is 20. So now we have 20 over here. Now we are left with just addition, so we can add them from left to right or right to the left. It doesn't matter. It will give you the same answer. I'm doing left to right, so 16 plus 20 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. Great. Okay, another example. So I have double brackets here. When you have double brackets, go from the innermost first, the inside. So here we have the brackets in the innermost. So we do that first. 2 minus 4 is -2. I now have the -2 here. So if we're doing the innermost from the bracket, we'll do the exponent because it says exponent here. So -2 multiplied by -2, because that's square, it will give you +4. So now I have changed that to +4. Okay, if you do not see a symbol over here, it means that it's multiplication. So this time I wrote the times symbol or multiplication symbol. -2 multiplied by 4 is negative multiplied to a positive will give you a negative. So that's -8. Now I just copied the exponent. So I will multiply. That will be the next one. -8 multiplied to -8. That is 64. Right here. 64 minus 6 will give you 58. So I hope everything is clear and that I have refreshed your memory and you still remember all your integer rules. Here are the questions. So again, at this point, you're going to pause your video and solve all the problems that are given over here on a piece of paper. Solve all of them. Once you are done solving, you can now check your answer and it's given to you on the next slide. Here they are. So here are the answers from number 1 to number 6. Again, I'm leaving out some problems that I can check when I see it. But remember, what I'm really looking at are your processes. So make sure that you write down all the steps and how you have accomplished all these answers. You are not yet done. You still have one more slide or one set of problems. The next thing that you're going to do is write equations that will give you the answers -9, 12, -27, and 3. All the equations that you're going to write should have order of operation. At least 4 addends. That means you have at least 4 numbers that you are going to add, multiply, divide, or raise to an exponent. In that 4 addends, you need to have 2 negative integers. So at least 3 different operations. You are going to show the steps and how you get the answer. So you are making an equation and then write the steps that will give the answers -9, 12, -27, and 3. When you are done, scan everything or take a photo of all that you have done to solve the problems that are given in this video. Then, the next thing that you're going to do is upload your answer in ManageBac. The deadline for this activity is on February 14 on a Friday. The name of the activity is Online Integers. Bye! Oh, if you need to go back and watch it again, watch it again. Bye!